How to add 3D effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and select the clip you want to edit, then right-click and choose Open in Fusion page. Next, add a 3D effect like 3D text, Shape 3D, or any other 3D element from the toolbar section, or right-click in the empty space in the node area and select Add Tool. Under the 3D category, you can choose from several effects depending on what you need. For this example, I'll use 3D text to demonstrate the effect. After adding the 3D text node, right-click on it and choose View On. Then select either the left or right viewer to see your 3D text on the screen. Now, customize the font, size, extrusion, and other advanced settings directly from the inspector panel. You can adjust the look to match your style. Then connect your 3D text node to a merger 3D node. This node allows you to combine multiple 3D objects into one unified 3D scene. After that, link the Merge 3D node to a Renderer 3D node. The Renderer node converts your 3D composition into a 2D image that can be viewed on the timeline. Next, connect the Renderer 3D node to the MediaOut node. This completes the flow and sends your final result back to the main timeline for playback. To make your 3D scene more interesting, add a camera 3D and a directional light node. The camera lets you animate perspective, while the light adds depth and realism. Use keyframes in the inspector to animate text movement, camera angles, or lighting effect. This gives your scene professional-looking transition and dynamic motion. Finally, return to the Edit tab and preview your timeline. You'll see the 3D effect in action, and you can always return to Fusion for more adjustment. And that's it. Now you know how to add 3D effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.